Good news dahil muling nakatanggap ng parangal ang Net25 sa Asia's Pinnacle Awards 2023. Kung ano ito, alamin sa report ni Mark De La Rosa.
Kinilala ang Net25 sa isang gabi ng parangal na pinangunahan ng Asia's Pinnacle Awards para mapahalagahan ang mga individual na nagpamalas ng natatanging kontribusyon sa lipunan.
Asia's Outstanding Innovator for Media Broadcasting, Net25 President Cesar Vallieros.
To the core management of Net25, thank you very much. And to the organizers, to the Pinnacle Awards, thank you very much. And this is also for the, this is dedicated to the growing family of Net25. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumatangkilik. Ang Net25 ay para sa Pilipino saan man sila naroroon sa buong mundo. And Net25 is also proud to announce that it is the newest home for your brands. Thank you very much.
Iginawad naman ng parangal bilang Asia's multi-talented media personality sa mata ng Agila primetime anchor na si Miss Emma Tiglao.
First, I'd like to thank Doc here for this very prestigious award, and also to Asia's Pinnacle Awards. This is, I think this is the first ever award na ganito, Asia's Most Admired Multimedia Talent Director. I think this is basically because of this new chapter in my life. Now I'm mentoring future talents in Net25, and I'd like to thank Net25 also for giving us this opportunity to be able to help our new generation and hone and nurture them to become the best versions of themselves. Thank you.
Isa itong patunay na higit sa karangalan, hangad ng himpilan na magbigay ng mga bago at dekalidad na programa sa mga pamilyang Pilipino at maisakatuparan ang pag-unlad tungo sa progresibong pagbabago.
We are developing new content, not only content for television, but content for digital, content online, in our social media, and even radio. This will have a great impact because we are continuously expanding our reach. We are also expanding a lot of, we have a growing roster of talents. And of course, with the new content, we needed more celebrities, and this is a way for us to create and to produce more concepts, more better formats for the Filipinos to appreciate.
Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Mata ng Agila Primetime. Para malaman ang matatag, matapang at matapat na mga balita, ay i-follow lamang at mag-subscribe sa @Net25 TV.